Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got an unboxing. This is actually a bag with a box in it, and it's just a little extra that I decided to treat myself to from AliExpress. I'll put the details down below of where I got it and what it is, although you will get to see what it is. Now then, where do I get into it? Let me have a look. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's a picture of it on the front, so I don't want to give it away. Although I think you can probably tell by, oh goodness me, this doesn't want to come out, by the type of box. And it's one of those little thin flat boxes. That's what it is. One of my favourite things to do. Okay. Oh, okay. Yay. So we have the squirrel. Yay. Oh, lots of static on there. Lots of bubble wrap. Yay. Okay. So, yeah, it's a lovely big autumnal squirrel wreath. And as we are now in September, this is quite appropriate. And I think I'll get this one done and get put up. Possibly... No, it's going to have to be October now, because I said I'm going to try and only work on 30 by 40s in September. But yeah, I just love the colours on this one. It's an acrylic one, and the printing of the letters is on the bottom rather than on the top. But it is only quite a very thin plastic. I think you can see there. There's not much thickness to that, so fingers crossed. It won't be too bad to do. Let me just have a look. Yeah. Yep, so it's one of those where I'm going to have to do it where I'm actually sat and looking down onto it. Otherwise, I'm going to end up with skew whiff drills, as it were. But actually, it looks sort of like longer, doesn't it, than rounder. But it's a very cute squirrel. Looks like he's got a little hazelnut here. And we've got quite a few leaves and berries and things going round. So yeah, it is quite thin, quite pliable. There's no holes to hang it up with, so probably command strips or something if you're wanting to put it on the wall. Or if you get just one of those that's like a nail and you can just position it right, you can just sort of sometimes balance them without the nail showing too much. Possibly there. Yeah, if you sort of like get a nail, then you could even cover it over, or I would think actually if you get like a brass nail or one that's like copper coloured, and just pop that in, as long as you've got good walls to hold it. So let's give it a quick measure. It's a nice clear drill field. Okay, so from the tail to, say, the outer edge, so the widest part is roughly 30 centimetres, 12 inches. So is it the same this way then? It's about 31 centimetres. So it must just be an optical illusion. Yeah, it is roughly. Gosh, that's really strange. But no, because that's to the tail, isn't it? If you do it that way, yeah, that's only 10 inches, which is 26 centimetres. So yeah, I thought I was going balmy then, thinking that isn't round. No, it's not, Liz. But yeah, look at that. Just thought I'd probably use this actually for fall y'all that Diamond Grandma's doing. That'd be good. Because it's definitely fall, isn't it? We've got our acorns here, look, as well. And are these oak leaves? There's no conkers on it, though. No horse chestnuts, no conkers. But lots of acorns. Okay, we've got a basic toolkit, which is your pen, your bought, and your wax. And let's have a look at these drills. Looks like we've got some specials. Okay. They're all autumnally type colours. I'm just looking. There's nothing, mind you, I suppose if you keep it in the box has got the, oh, it says 30 by 30 on the box. It has got the like canvas code or the project code there, which is on the drills. But if you don't keep the box, possibly put a sticker on the back of the squirrel. So so that you can see. I'll put him on there, look, so you can see him a little bit better rather than him showing on my desk. That's it. You sit there, little squirrel. That's nice. Yeah. Okay, I'm just trying to get into these. They're all stuck together. Oh, heck. It's another one of these where I think the printing has been a little bit warm and it's just made the packets stick together a little bit. So what have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different gems and colours. So we're starting off with a lovely goldy colour and a very cherry red. So that is J and R. So let's see where they go. Okay, so J is on some of the little acorns. Okay, it's on that one anyway. Can't think it's just on there. And then R is around some of these red leaves here. So it'll be interesting to see how these colours sort of like blend in with the acrylic drills. We've then got a nice, well, that's like a spring green really, and then a deep green, and that's the cherry red. Oh, and that's like a greeny yellowy colour, and a russet colour. Oh, look at these oranges, very sort of pumpkin colours, oranges. And then a bit deeper brown, and that lovely fresh green, and another orange, and a deep burgundy red, and then this one is white, and that's a larger faceted round, and that will go on all the berries around here. So that's interesting, just having the two of the actual crystal gems there to go on it. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how they work out, but that is a lovely autumn colour palette. I think they're going to look super. I expected, I think, more browns really. So yeah, it's more oranges, isn't it? The squirrel must be a bit orangey as well. Okay, so yeah, I just thought this was a nice little project to do. I think it was round about the £8 or £9 mark, so it wasn't a too expensive one. I've noticed that quite a few of the wreaths now are going up around sort of like the £12 to £15 mark. Everything is unfortunately going up in price, and diamond painting's no exception, unfortunately. But I have got quite a bit of a stash. So. Okay. So just a quick little video for today, just to have a look at my little squirrel wreath. I thought you might like to see. He's just been delivered, so I'll hot foot it up here and come and show you. Oh, he is only single-sided as well. If you've enjoyed looking at this with me, a thumbs up is much appreciated. If you've got any comments or questions, if you leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next and join our little family, then if you press the subscribe button, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up and you can pop and have a look. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.